bottles and wasted time. I got nothing.
Welcome back, it's Chris from the Hagon factory. So as you can see, we went to the Llanelly swap meet. What a fantastic day. Plenty of people there, plenty of stalls. An absolute credit to the Bendigo Historic Motorcycle Club and the volunteers that put it on. They all worked very hard, and you'll see that through the video. It was a really good day, lots of different stuff. I didn't stay last night, but a lot of people did. The old man stayed last night in his bus, had a few beers and caught up with everyone, and he had a great time. But let's have a look at the video.
I'm a wasted time, simple trouble, worried mind. I got nothing to show for, wasted time, and hard living, it don't come cheap. The stakes are winter's a pretty gray here, it just rains for days. Sometimes it gets hard to stay here in this city of gray. I get so down, I just can't find my life. I get so down, I just gotta get through this night. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high, forget about yesterday. Times are getting harder, you know it's harder to stay clean. Your days start getting darker when you forget your dreams. You get so down, you wanna make it all disappear. Oh, wishing you were somewhere, anywhere but here. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high, forget about yesterday.
station's been closed. The irony's not lost on me, I'm freezing to the bone. But what bothers me is I'm so far away from home. What bothers me is I'm so far away from home. Home, home, home. A little more gas for me, please. Just crack open the window and all I need is speed. But what bothers me is you're not sitting next to me. What bothers me is you're not sitting next to me. And I know that life is rough like this road, and sometimes all I do is spin in the snow. And I want you to know that I felt what it's like to feel so low, like a shadow on the road, just a shadow on the road. Let me in from the cold. Old friends are good, but strangers are like gold. 'Cause everything I say is new, nothing gets old. 'Cause everything I say is new, nothing gets old.
Righto, same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagon's back.